Welcome to Lodi. Lodi. Last game, last day of this regular season. One Dallas Schools versus Extempus. Yep. First possession by One Dallas. Two points. Go. Ashur. The first shot by George is good. Assist by Ashur. Same ball. Joel for three. Nope, short. Also rebound by Reynante. Jump ball. Ball remains with Exertus. Ashur for three. Nope. Abel with the rebound. Abel to Boss Rene, back to Abel. Abel to Jeff with a long jumper, very good. Ashur with a rebound. Ringo bringing down the ball. Reynante for three. Assist from Rico Mambo. Danny bringing down the ball. Pass to the every day. Jumper, no, out.
Yan ang ginagamit mo na nakaraan?
Last touch by
Bago lang to, ngayon lang to.
8
Ano
minutes
yung
to go
sinusundan
in
niya,
the
bola?
first quarter.
Susundan niya, pangitaon na niyang bola. Pareha na. Yan, so pangitaon bola.
Ang ganda na to.
Yeah,
Pwede ba kaya live to?
Pwede live. Pwede live. Wala lang ako gibutan.
Ang kanina mo yung naka-live.
Wala lang ako nag-live. Pero kung gusto na ko i-live, pwede. Diretso sa Facebook, pwede po diretso sa YouTube.
George with a rebound, follows it up, no good.
Kasi ito yung nagpukulay, no? Parang ito yung gimbal niya.
Oo, muna siya.
This is by George, but all the rebounds are by Santos.
300 nga,
The
no?
points by George.
Almost 400 yun.
Maganda, oh. Sumusunod lang.
7-2.
Ito lang
The
nakabiyot
next
ka.
short jumper, no
Nakabiyot ka,
good.
oh.
Rebounded by
Yan, yan.
Reynante.
I-mute niyo mo kung imatos mo.
Ashur.
Tara, dili.
Reynante is too strong. Rebounded by
Yan, sundan mo.
Conrad.
Pag mawala siya, yung pangitaon mo.
Dade with the rebound.
Ayan na, wala.
Wala.
Last touch
Pangitaon na yan.
by
Pass break.
Timpang Manila.
Yung pangitaon.
Last touch by Rico. Ball goes. Remains with
Yan lang pag
Black.
pass break. Ang ano.
Dili, nakoy wala gikuha na niya ang sit up niya.
Score is 7-2.
Napo sit up na kay testing mo.
5-point lead by
Nga
Extempus.
ikuha mo kung unsa kadako ang imo
Ready?
sensor.
Oh, steal by Rico. Rico against Gerald. Rico throws it up.
Ay, di na ka
It's good
makapoy.
for two.
Di ba? Di ka makapoy ba?
Steal by Reynante. 9-2 is the
Kani
score.
siya sit up nga wa pa nako nga na sit up.
Rene.
Ya mo zoom in siya kung dool at kung layo, yang i-zoom in.
Sino mo?
George with the
Ya
rebound.
siya human. Siya na may bahala mo.
Jumper. No wall. Last touch by Jeff. Ball remains with Exertus.
Maguna ko na siya gi-calibrate yun.
5 minutes, 56 remaining in the first quarter.
Oh, wala na akong calibrate. Dapat nga ang iyang sensor hanto ra diha. Ana raw daw. So diri ra siya magana-anak lang siya matuglayo. Karon ay nang bola diha.
Window, George.
Iset lang ako sa basketball. Siya na
Rebounded
bahala.
by
Ana, na setting nga basketball.
Na,
Ah, bola nga sinundan.
pwede kay pickleball. Madumin siya.
Against,
Naikagulat ito. Si Bulan.
Jeff, jumper, release, floater, very good. Rebounded by George. Long pass to nobody. Turnover by Exertus. Yep. Bola.
Wala sila Kim.
Renee against Rico.
Wala sila Kim.
Sabi ito.
Pass to Jeff. No, short. Another rebound by Jeff. But a turnover steal by Rico Mambo. Skip and hop. No good.
Kasama na ito.
Wala.
Long
Labot.
rebound by Jeff.
Labot.
Jeff to Renee for good shot. Finally, 2 for Renee. Good
Pwede siya mo
assist to
4K. 1080p, 720, 1080p o 4K.
9-4, 4 minutes 30 remaining in the first quarter.
Nindot siya dito sa taas.
George,
Tataas.
pass to Asho.
Kita ba?
Too high for Conrad. Turnover by
Ang
Asho.
kamera talaga niya. Ito,
Increase
Rito.
record, Asho's
Kani.
turnovers. Thank
Kani may
you.
kamera.
Kanya mo yung camera.
Joe with right, got fouled by number 12.
zoom in siya.
Kamera.
That's Reynando's
Sir,
first
automatic po
personal
niya kaya
first
makita niya,
foul
i-zoom in.
on Exertus. Two
Ano ka din,
shots.
tanin mo, pwede YouTube, Facebook, pwede Video Lab, pwede VOB, streaming ba?
Eight. 9-5, 4-point lead, Exertus. Time remaining, 3:40 in the first quarter. George to Reynante for 3, yes! 12-5,
Wala.
2 3-point shots
Pinara
already
takbo,
by
ito?
Reynante.
Pitora takbo.
7-point lead. Reynante with steal. Conrad got fouled by Joel. That's Joel's first personal first team foul. Side court throw in. Baseline throw in, I should say. Jesse to Conrad, to George, 2 points, assist from Jesse. 14-5, 9-point lead, 2 points by George, assist by Jesse. Joel for 3, nope. Ball goes to Exertus, substitution. Rico out. Bonix in. Bonix. Jesse. Pass to nobody. Turnover by Jesse. Joel drives to the basket. Good for 2. Bigyan na natin assist kay Daddy. Bigay na. Delante. Jesse, the Bonix. Conrad posting up. With the foot. Yes, what a strong move by Conrad for 2. 16-7. Yeah. Jeff Wood against Jesse. Steal by George. Bonix ahead. Caught by Jeff Wood. Last touch by Jeff Wood. Wasted opportunity. George underneath. Almost a steal. Recovered it. Pass to Reynante. Steal by Abel. Joel ahead for 2 points. Give the assist to Abel. 16-9. 7-point lead. Exertus. Jesse for 3. Nope. Outside. Black ball. 35 seconds to go. Stolen by Renato. The Knicks sidesteps, but got fouled by number 31, Jeff. That's Jeff's first personal. Second team foul. Oof, free throws for Phoenix, aka Onyx. 12 seconds to go. Sorry. Abel for three. Yes! Oh, man, for Abel. Twelve, 17, 12. Conrad got fouled by Jeff. That's Jeff's second personal. First team foul on Juan Dallas. 2 shots for Conrad. Substitution. Late violation. One more shot for Conrad. One more shot. There we go. 1 point, 18-12. 6-1 lead with Santos. Turnover. Ashton against Joel to Jesse. Jesse to Phoenix. Phoenix drives to the basket. Got fouled by number 8, Abel. That's Abel's first personal, second team foul. 2 shots for Phoenix. Basket is good. Second basket for Phoenix is also good. 20-12. 8-point lead. 7 minutes 15. Joel, pass to Renee. Renee takes. Back to Joel. Drives to the basket. Yes, one shot, but missed it. Asho with the rebound. George bounce pass to Asho. Asho for 3. Short. Rebounded by Rico Mambo. 2 rebounds for Rico. George pass to Jesse. Jesse takes. Throws it out to George. George thinking about a 3. Nope. Decided to drive to the basket. Pass to Phoenix. Phoenix for 3. Yes! Oh man! Assist from George. Okay, dapat nabulong ng Phoenix. Jeff, no good. Rebounded by, give it to Jesse. Pass to Onyx. Phoenix. Phoenix for 3. Yes! Wow! Phoenix is hot. Di nagsuklay, okay yan, dapat ganyan. 6 minutes to go. 3 for Asha with a rebound. George against Abel. Looking for shot. No. Good ball. Almost lost the ball to Phoenix. Phoenix was hot, but lost the ball. Stolen by Nader. Pass to Abel. Abel. Oh, missed it. Rebounded by Asham. Rico almost lost it. Oh, what's that? 5 minutes spent to go in the first half. 26-12, 14-point lead. Alam ko nakasink yan eh. Jesse for 3. Yes! Assist by Rico Mambo. 29-17, 29-12, 17-point lead. 4 minutes, 40 remaining in the first half. Abel for 3, no. Ashram rebounds. Passing Phoenix to Phoenix. Phoenix lays it up. Yes. Awesome roll. Kasi dumami na yung points mo eh. Joel against Rico. To Rene. Rene jumper. Nope, strong. Rebounded by Rico. Rico against Joel. To Phoenix. Phoenix pass to Rico. Oh, nasa lalo si George. Libre sayang. Oh, steal by Joel. 3 against 1. To Dade. Yes, assist from Joel. 2 points. Time out. Time out Excepus. Pagod ka na rin, Brad. Let's go. I'll get the ring later then. 31-40, 17-point lead. Jesse for 3. Nope. Rebounded by Alfred. Oh, strong shot by Jeff. Rebounded by George. George. Short. Oh, rebounded by Renate. Jesse using the glass. No, rebounded by Alfred. Joel to Rene. Rene jump. No, passing to Abel. Cross court to Dade. Yes, 2 points. Assist by Abel. Assist from Abel. Rico. Archie. George. Foul on Bosmane. That's Bosmane's first foul, 13 foul on Juan Dallas. 2 minutes, 25 remaining in the first half. 15-point lead, 31-16. Exceltus ahead. George to Asho, to Renate, back to Asho for 3. Nope. Rebound by Renate, follows it up for 2. (33-16). Hard foul by Asham. First team foul. Jeff Castro lost the ball. Alfred lost the ball. First personal on Asham. First team foul. Renate, no. Last touch by Asham. 1 minute 13 to go. 33-7-16. Ashok stops. 1 minute to go. Jeff, got back. No. Steal by George. Phoenix. Lays up. No, George rebounds. Stop fighting. With 35-16. 19 points. And Circus ahead by 19. 40 seconds to go in the first half. Abel, wow, what a pass. Oh, nice shot. What a miss. Conrad pass to George. Decided to takes it by himself. 37. Assist by Conrad. Steal by Phoenix. Jesse for 3. 8 seconds. Rene for 3. Nope. Conrad with a rebound to George. 1 second. The score, halftime score is 37-16. 21-point lead.
Hey, he shot it. Remember I had the jump ball, right? He shot it. Jump ball to the first quarter. No, he shoot it not.
Bernard, stand up, please. George, 2 points. Assist from Ashok. 39-16, 23-point lead. Renee. Jumper. Strong. He got it by Renee. Trevor for 3. It's good. 20-point lead. George coast to coast for 2. 41-19. Abel, Jeff, jumper, strong, rebounded by Joe, fakes, got fouled by Ashok. That's Ashok's second personal, first team foul on Exertus. 2 shots for Joel. First shot by Joel is good. Strong. Oh, hit the head of Jeff. Ball to ball. Double dribble. 41-20, 21-point lead. Exertus, Ashok. Back to George. Back to Ashok. Back to George. Almost a steal. For 3 is George. Nope. Rene with a rebound. Rene, Dade against Reynante, lost the ball. Good defense by Reynante. Long pass to Rico. Rico loosen up. No good. It was a good try. Boss Rene jumper, got foul and won by Boss Rene. Foul on Conrad. That's the second team foul. First personal on Conrad. Both shots for Rene. Hey, shooter's bounce. It's down to 18-point lead, 41-23. Exertus ahead. George. Looking for a teammate. Got Rico for 3. See Rico Mambo. Assist from George. Abel to Jeff. Jeff to Rene. Rene's favorite jumper. Oh, no good. Long rebound by Ash. Foul by Jeff. That's Jeff's third personal. First team foul. 2 shots. Rico Mambo. Rico Mambo. 44-23 still is the score. 21.
Nahihirapan mag-track tol, daming bula eh. Hindi, ulo ba, ulo?
Just one. 45-23 still by George. Felix. Looking for DJ. Renate for 3. Rico recovers it. Spins to Renate floater, short. Oh, another rebound by Renate. Follows it up for 2. Lots of stats for Renate. 47-23, back to 24. Or the lead is now 24. Rene, jumper. Yes, good for 2. Assist by Abel. 4 minutes to 30 remaining in the third quarter. Three by George. Assist from Astro Talomba. Okay, magulo ka. Dati, assist by Abel. I'm confused. Spin by Conrad, lost the ball. 3-on-2, bounce pass to Daddy, no good. Ashon with the rebound. Jeff with the steal. Jerry for 3. Yes! Assist from Jeff. 20, just a 20-point lead. Let me do the sound. There we go. Yeah, it's not your bad goal. Huwag ka magulo dyan. Parang manok. Conrad, jumper. Yes, good for 2. Conrad scores. 52-30. Abel, jumper, or it's actually a pass, yeah. Conrad with a steal. George, nope. Renato follows it up with a rebound, no good. Rene controls the board to Abel. What a defense by Conrad. Ball goes to Abel, remains to Black. Two minutes, 35 remaining in the third quarter. Abel to Dado for 3. Nope. Jesse with a rebound. Jesse. Pass to Conrad. To Felix. Felix got blocked by Dado. Reynaldo for 3. Abel to Joel. Stolen by George. Bounce pass to Phoenix. Phoenix for 2. Assist by George. 57-30. Abel for 3. Nope. Remember the rebound. Fix. To Joel for 3. Yes. 24-point lead. 57-33. 1 minute 30 remaining in the third quarter. We still have one more quarter to go. And then the main event. No fouls called. Phoenix with the rebound. Jesse with the blind pass to Conrad. Spins. Got fouled by Dado. That's Dado's second personal. 2 shots for Conrad. Fifty-seven, 33, 24-point lead. Nope. Rene with the rebound. Dado. Abel cuts. Lost the ball. Stealed by George. 8 seconds to go. Pinasa. 2 points. Assist by Conrad. 2 points for Phoenix. Now in the fourth quarter, 29-33. 26-point lead. Konti na lang. Let's go. This is not a timeout. This is not a timeout. Let's go. Fifty-nine, 33, 26-point lead. Rebound by George. Blocked by Rene.
That's good.
Are you good? Okay. Phoenix for 3. Who's hot? Hindi na siya pag-drive. You're hot. Assist by Jesse, ha? Hindi mo na. Pakingin ka ba? Abel. Offensive steal by Phoenix. Dado fakes. What a fake. Lays it up for 2. Wow, what a shot. 6-2. Bigyan natin ang tunog. George. Rico. To Jesse. Jesse drives. More good. Rebound by Jeff. Jeff. Long pass to Rico. Rico. Steal. Nakasugod. Conrad! Assist to Rico. Give the assist to Conrad. Ball remains. Got blocked by George. 64-35. 29-point lead. Tama ba? 64-35. Good. Abel for 3. Oh, what a dribble by Jesse. Alright, the best. They overteam testing. George. Conrad. Oh, traveled. Time remaining 7 minutes 30 in the ball game. 64-38, 26. Alright. Daddy? Yes, parang scoop. by Alfred for two. 64-40. I'm out, except tumira na naman yung kakampi mo, nag-time out ka. Pasok. Hindi na kita ni Asyo, Brad.
Yay!
Let's go. Let's go. $10 bills now. O triple din. 64-40. Last touch by Black. Jesse. Rebound by Phoenix. But got fouled by number 13, Dade. Second personnel, first team foul on one Dallas Stools, 2 shots. For Phoenix, first basket for Phoenix is good. Oh, sayang. Jeff with the rebound. Rene attacks. Using the pass, no good. Again with the rebound. Oh, turnover. Good defense by Phoenix and Rico. Jesse bringing down the ball. George takes. Jesse got a hook pass, but almost steals. Yeah, completely steal by Rene. To Joel. Joel against Rico. And then recovers it. Pass to Dadu. Jumper. Yes. 2 points. Assist from Abel. 65-42. Long pass to Rico. Turnover by Blue. Well, give the ball to the ref. Nobody touch it. It's inbound over there. Right here. Come on. If Bernard is strict, follow him. Nobody touch it. Baseline. Joel for 3. No, short. Phoenix in the rebound. Rico Mambo. Oh, yeah. Basura. Layup is good. 67 assists by Phoenix. 4 minutes 30. Jeff fakes, jumper, strong. Rebounded by Rene. Dade, Eric takes it. Yes, good for 2. 4 minutes 15. He got the shot block. Jesse drives, gives it the glass, good for 2. 69 ang laman, 44 ang Dejado. Abel, jumper, no. Asha with the rebound. Rico lays it up for 2. 71-44. Abel, assist by Alfred, 2 points by Abel. 3.5. Jesse. 15-second shot clock. Rico long rebound. Rico for 3. Nope. Abel recovers it. Against Rico Mambo, walang patawag na yan. Jeff! Oh, George with the rebound, but last touch by George. 2 minutes 50 remaining in the ball game. Gabe for two. Nice pass by Joel. 71-48. 2 minutes 35. 15-second shot clock. Oh, got fouled by Daddy. Third personnel on Alfred, 2 shots for Phoenix. Yeah. First basket, not good. 71-48. 72-48. Rene. 15-second shot clock. 2 points for Gabe. Phoenix. Oh, got fouled by Jeff. Why is it Jeff? Shots for Phoenix. 73-50. $74.50. 24. Lost the ball by Gabe. Ashton. Layup. Oh, there with the rebound. Joel for 3. No, George with the rebound. 58 seconds remaining. Phoenix. 49.5 seconds remaining. 17-second shot clock. 15-second shot clock. George for 3. Parang may inahabol kayo ang score, ha? Parang bibiglayin nyo kami yan, ha? And then with the rebound, 20 seconds to go. Got foul. What's the verdict? Ashong's first team foul. Second foul, 16.5, come on. Boss Rene for 3. Final score 77-52.